This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering ingredients and prepping efficiently. Use 2 cups cooked day-old rice. Measure 1 tablespoon Schezwan Chutney and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Chop 1/2 cup mixed vegetables and 2 green onions, and mince 1 garlic clove. Beat 2 eggs lightly in a small bowl and keep 1 tablespoon oil ready. Split ingredients so protein, veggies, and sauces are within reach. This mise en place prevents overcooking and keeps heat control steady during the stir-fry. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a wok over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add beaten eggs and scramble quickly for 30 seconds, then push eggs to the side. Add another 1 tablespoon oil if needed, and stir-fry 1/2 cup mixed vegetables for 2 minutes until just tender crisp. Toss in minced garlic and the white parts of 2 green onions and stir for 20 seconds. Maintain high heat and continuous motion to prevent steaming and to develop slight char for flavor. Add day-old rice and break up clumps with the spatula so grains separate. Mix 1 tablespoon Schezwan Chutney, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon salt in a small cup, then drizzle evenly over the rice. Toss for 1 to 2 minutes until evenly coated and heated through, integrating scrambled eggs and green onion greens. Finish with a light splash of sesame oil if desired and taste for seasoning adjustments. Serve hot, garnished with extra green onion and a wedge of lime for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.